All right, big drop off, Mace. Here it comes. We're getting to the top.
No.
Huge drop off, Mason. Hold on, bud. Mason, you better hold on. Mason, hold it.
Mason, say that you're hilarious.
Hold on, Mason. Oh, okay. Whoops, today's biggest letdown of the day. What happened, man?
I'm not even. I didn't.
Oh, wait. Oh, just you wait.
Not today.
What's going on, Brett?
Oh, we're knocking around. Ooh. Ray, what do you think? Here we go.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
That's it. You got to run it back. Oh, we're picking up steam. Here we go.
All right, here we go, guys.
Here we go, Bray. Oh my God! Oh gosh! Oh!
I think we're on the wrong spot. Oh, good.
Here we go. Look! Oh, look at Everest.
Everest.
We can see Everest. Oh!
There it,
Oh!
there it is, Dad.
There it is, Bray.
Get ready.
Are you ready? Here comes the big drop.
No, it's not. Is
Yeah,
it?
yeah, it's coming up.
I don't think it's
That's
there.
when it really, you know, right before you get to a waterfall is when it really starts picking up
Maybe it
and
is the big drop.
And if you're backwards, you're screwed. It's gonna be me. Irony. Exactly. Here we go! Oh! Rose got it.
My head is soaking.
Mace, hold the hat! Oh, Parker, hold on! No, that's the big one. That's the big drop, and more rapids. Rose, you gotta run it back. Here we go.
Yeah, right.
More rapids, Bray. Bray, look. Bray, more rapids. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh no, here comes the wash. Here comes the rain.
Ah! Ah! Duck your head, duck. Oh my gosh.
I got it. Protect it. I got it.
The hell are monkeys? They're laughing at us.
My goodness.
Oh my God. Woo!
We're all going out.
So cool.
Wait, where's Mimi?
They're waiting on us. Hold on. Oh! Oh no, not the.
Oh, here we go.
Oh!
Oh, the elephants.
Oh, not the elephant. Ah! We're gonna bump. Oh my gosh. Oh man. How about it, Ray? Did you have a good time?
Yeah.